What is up, guys? It's your boy Cam. Welcome to my channel if you guys are new, and welcome back to my channel if you guys are returners.
I just put that up my flat. Shit, yeah. I got big racks that fit. They got big cat that fit. Try come get out the cat. Try come pick.
I start spring break today. Well, really today is the day you start spring break, but I'm already back at home and I am about to head out. Okay, so we left the house.
Bubba's. Hey.
Where you going? Okay, you guys, we made it a few hours later. I think it's like 3 o'clock. I think it just hit 3 o'clock. But me and my mom made it. We unpacked. Right now, I'm about to head to the gym. I'm about to see if I can even get into the gym because I don't have the key fob. And my brother is, he's out right now at a meeting. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get in the gym. If I can't, I'm gonna just leave it alone for today. Because I could go on a walk, but I'm not honestly in the mood to go on a walk. I want to get my good workout in. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, so we're not big. It's all you can eat. So, what's that? Calamari?
Fried shrimp,
Fried shrimp, cheese sticks.
crab bites, and crab cakes.
What's that?
Oysters.
Crab bites and crab cakes.
This is crab bites. That's crab cake.
Good morning, you guys. It is now the next day. It is Saturday, March 14th. It is 8:03. I just got done with my workout. I'm about to head back to the place. Today on the agenda, we are going to Universal Studios. So I'm about to go home, shower, put on my clothes, eat, drink my morning tea or whatever. I don't know what time we're leaving. We have the fast pass, so always him. Shut up. Okay, we're all dressed now. I think it's like 10 o'clock. I just got on this two-piece aloe set. And then those Asics that I wore to Disney. And then I got my little fanny pack.
But didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a girl I wanna dig out. Hooked it up for later.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Are we going to the theme parks or the water park?
Theme park.
35, please.
35.
Yes, ma'am.
What's my closest I can get up to?
Prime.
Prime.
That's 60.
Give me that.
Yes, ma'am. Turn on the hazard light. See car coverage and shorter walking distance. Okay?
That's what I need.
Red triangle. Probably
Say what
up
now?
top.
Oh, she tried.
Oh,
Where is it, Mom?
you see? Oh,
Oh.
yep. Okay. So
See,
$60.
Yeah.
Me on the court and I'm troubled. Last week, messed around.
See, you know what I'm saying? But see, I thought they was gonna be. What's going on?
Okay, so we made it in. It's so loud. So, but we made it in. Times like this, I wish I had a mic. I thought he said my name. But my mom and Miles is in the restroom, so I'm waiting. and then that's when I get out because I'm watching my mom's stuff. I don't know, but we haven't made it into the park yet. We still on City Walk. Thank you. Okay, we about to get on the hub. I wanted to bring you guys on here, but my mom said I shouldn't. So.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I got to take my.
10 out of 10 for the ride.
Because the hub is my favorite ride. I used to ride it when they were younger. So I'm true to this, not new
New to this. All right, now we're finna go on Velocicoaster. Yeah, there is a. So I did ride this ride because I have a picture. I don't want to show y'all. Because it's a. Oh, because yeah, Miles, this was this one. Okay, so update. That ride took me out. Me and my brother was about to do it again, but I ended up checking it out because it made me feel like a little lightheaded. And we didn't really, well, I ate this morning, but I didn't eat lunch. It's now 4:07, so we kind of just got like a quick snack. Hollywood Studios. Yeah, a lot happened. It basically started raining. Anyway, so like I was saying, it started raining. It started raining, and it started pouring raining while we was on Hagwords.
We in the ABC.
But what was the point? Because everybody. Look at the parade. Mardi Gras, the New Orleans, baby. I really get the jigging out this. Where we going? We about to go back to Islands of Adventure. Okay, so like I was saying, we're getting on the train to go back to Islands of Adventure because we came to Hollywood, but we're about to go re-ride the ride that I was telling y'all about that we got rained on. Like, we really can't even enjoy the ride. And I wasn't even looking at the ride. I was just trying to make sure my hood and my poncho was over my head. So, and then we want to ride Hope again. So, we're about to head back to Islands of Adventure. We realized Hollywood Studios really don't got nothing no more. I don't know what's that about.
Don't mind the Thestrals, dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scrooge before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
When is my camera doing?
see the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
I don't like this part because it's gonna drop you. Wait.
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons.
Yeah!
Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum.
So we just got off our last ride. It was the Hulk. I couldn't record because they have metal detectors. Here we go.
You better on the own walking that now.
My bad. Oh my gosh, I am exhausted. Today drained me.
job in 3 and 2 and 1. More, we got 15 seconds for left side, 1 medium each hand. This time we're gonna alternate my wide curl. 1 on the right, 1 on the left. Elbows, 1 tricep push up, straight to down dog. Tread 6, 5, 8, 5 and 3 and 2 and 1. Tread 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5. You got a whole minute here. On the floor, my right foot steps outside of my right hand. Big inhale. Exhale, that hand comes down, foot steps back. On side, we're on a 4% on that left side. On the floor, 12 seconds, we got mountain climbers. 8 seconds, stretch, 4% right side. There we go. Big exhale as you press that weight up to the top. Hands in my hand. If while you're here for an entire minute, that's only in 15 seconds. We got our first of 2 pushes. 8, 5, 9, 5, 10. We got sit-ups. 10 seconds stretch, you walk. 8 seconds floor, weight to chest. We got weighted sit-ups in 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Just go ahead and walk it out floor. That weight's just gonna drop down to your chest. Those feet stay planted on the ground. We sit it all the way up and then lay it right back down. You guys got an entire minute here, and then we'll bring that weight into my left hand and do the exact same thing. Treads be good. And for less than 30 seconds, we lose that press. We all know that's the worst part of this movement. In 20 seconds, treads, we jog it out. 5, 6, or 7. And 4 and 15, you lose that press. Just that hammer curl. A 10 second stretch, we jog 5, 6, or 7. 4, just that hammer curl in 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Stretch 5, 6, 7. Floor, just that hammer curl left side. Good, guys. Alright, treads, that push was slower. Hopefully that sprint gets just a touch faster. Yeah, same 9, 9 and above, but change something if you got it. On the floor in 15 seconds, we're right back down on that bench. We got skull crushers, 1 final time. 10 seconds stretch, sprint number 2. A floor, we raise. Let's go, Janine. We switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah.
I am done with the workout class. It is 10:45. Honestly, I would rate it like okay, I can definitely say their classes are more intense than Orange Theory for sure. The class that I took was cardio and arms, right? Mind you, I knew that because I specifically signed up for that one. Because I don't really do arms like that. I only be doing most of the cardio, so I was like, let me get some arms. Them arms took me out. Starting with arms, and then you go to treadmill, and then you go back to arms, and then finish off with treadmill. So it's 4 you do. So that was that. Like I said, I probably rate like a 7 out of 10. The running wasn't bad. It was just the arms. The arms was taking me out. Like, the exercises she had us doing, I'm like, wait a minute. Like, it literally felt like we was training for a boot camp. So, I don't know, Barry's, I don't know who you're training for. I don't know if you're training for Iran. I don't know if you're training for, I don't know who you're training for and what we're training for. But, hey, I applaud you. And I was also getting very aggravated because the teacher was talking the whole time and she was screaming, like, especially when I was on the treadmill, they have speakers by every treadmill. So it feels like she's literally screaming in your ear. So I was getting aggravated, like I couldn't barely even hear well, you could hear the music, but it was never a point of time where the music was just playing. It was always her talking, yelling, and I was just getting overstimulated. I was already getting mad, and then you in my ear yelling. So I ended up getting a ticket. It's right here. I need to get it. I didn't end up paying, and I knew that too. So they gave me a ticket. I was only in here for what? I don't know, not long. But let's try this yogurt. Not yogurt, protein. This one is way better. I can deal with this one. I mean, I can deal with the other one too, but I would prefer this flavor over the strawberries and cream. Let me get this ticket. Bruh, Why is the ticket? I'm over here. What is my camera doing? Why is the ticket $40? That's crazy. Failure to pay parking rate. What? Pay by March 30. Pay by April 30 at $55. Thereafter $59. So maybe they just won't get it. So I'm all showered and clean and we're about to go to Tropical Soup. I'm so hungry.
It's for you.
There's 2 pieces on sale. Let's see.
You guys get this place cleaned up. I expect to have a full report.
Like literally my whole outfit is Zara. That's crazy. But it's 2-piece set from Zara. My Zara shoes.
Evergreen Light Services. I don't know if you remember hitting my phone when he was over. Probably not, but I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna add all of the ones that are no class. Yeah, that's Expert Music Foundation.
Good morning, guys. I'm whispering because my brother is in a meeting. But I just made breakfast. Made 3 boiled eggs and a parfait bowl. And then some orange juice. So I'm about to eat this. Okay, so I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to put on some clothes. Y'all, it is so cold outside. Like, it's 50 degrees outside. And I didn't really bring clothes for that type of weather. So we're about to check my suitcase and see what I can put together. I'm about to go to this outlet. I went to go yesterday, but it started raining. My brother told me today was a better day to go in a way because as soon as I said that, like an hour later, it started like pouring down rain. So we didn't do nothing yesterday because it started raining. I think tomorrow, yesterday was the last day of rain because I'm so tired of this rain, and then it'll go back sunny. So I'm about to get up. I'm gonna just go to the gym later on today because I honestly did not feel like getting up and going to the gym right now. So I'm gonna just go in the afternoon, and I think my brother's going in the afternoon too, so we can go together. This necklace is too long on this. Entire store. What did it say? Cause that's a good 50 to 70% off. Oh, I'm running in here. Would you trust me? No cash is started. I don't got cash anyway. That's not. Why does it look so? You're welcome.
Hello, thank you.
You're fine. What in the hell? What am I looking at? I have this one, but I only tried this one time and it worked. I had this one, but I ended up taking it back because it has ashwagandha, and I heard you get sleep paralysis from this, so I don't play that. I didn't know she had this. I found that out yesterday. This is what I'm getting, the Let Me Bloat. They say this works so good. I didn't know she had that. I just found that out yesterday too. I didn't know she had Let Me Curb. And then this Let Me Play. Like, they say that works good too. And then that's for girls, but that's the Let Me Purr, but I heard that works good too. But I'm a boy. Okay, so I'm back in the car. I'm about to take these gummies though because they are a daily digestive pill. So it says take 2 gummies daily. So I'm just about to go ahead and take 2. I started today. I also got one more thing from PacSun. I didn't get nothing really at this mall. And I knew that because before I came here, I looked up what stores they had, but oh, these smell good. They smell like grape or something. Them are good. Them taste like the cherry not Dum Dums, the cherry Bell Pops. Them are good. But I'm trying to figure out where else I want to go now, because I don't want to go to the main mall, because I think we were gonna do that sometime later on this week/weekend. So we leave Sunday. So we still have tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that's 4 days. Yeah, 4 more days. What the heck? Time going by fast. Like, that's crazy. I feel like I just got here, which I did. But I'm trying to figure out where else do I want to go, because like I said, I don't want to go to the main. I was thinking about it, but then I thought about it, like, I don't know if we had plans to all do that together. So I'm gonna just wait.
And my jacket's in it.
Hi guys, it is now hours later. You only got 9 minutes on this SD card. We're about to run to a few stores. Tonight, we're going to go eat dinner at Yard House. I've been craving Yard House ever since I got down here. So we're gonna go eat Yard House. Tomorrow, I need to tell them the plan, but tomorrow, because we were supposed to go to the beach tomorrow, but I don't know what's going on. It's cold down here. So this is what I ended up putting on. This was not what I was supposed to wear, but I brought this outfit. I think I'm gonna still get some pictures, even though I already posted my Pumas. But I got this Honor to Give shirt that I got from Nordstrom. These shorts, Fashion Nova, shoes, Puma. And that's the D's. I really like this outfit. So.
That bread that we went up.
That's not
do cranberry, we have orange juice, we could do soda products, we could do Sprite, cranberry.
Why you just didn't get a drink with what's called cranberry? You could have chased it with that.
Like that. One more thing. Yes, I know y'all got pickle juice here, so instead of cranberry juice.
You ate your melatonin tonight?
Wow.
You better. For $30.
Yeah, I bought my own. Yo, this, $30? No, I'm getting aggravated. Why the fish so big? You can't even damn. You say you bought your own?
Put it under there and when you bite it, yeah. Because if it's stuff all out.
You want to go buy it? Oh, yeah, I can see she's selling Walmart.
Where you bought yours from?
Target. Same price, $30. I know, but
It is the next day. It is 12:36, and we're all getting ready. We're about to go to brunch, I think, first, and then we're going to go shopping. I'm so excited to go shopping. But I got my outfit on. Me and my mom is ready. It's Miles, but this is my outfit. This whole outfit is from Fashion Nova. I got this shirt like a while back, and like these jeans, but I think I want to take some pictures. So, and then this jewelry is from Amazon, and then I'm gonna wear my Ricky Owens. You'll see the full print once I put on my outfit. But Miles just got out the shower because he went to go get a haircut. I woke up a little late today. I usually been waking up around 8, but I woke up at 9 today, so I didn't have time to go to the gym.
It's your neck of the woods.
We probably went to Lotto Key Beach, Cameron. Oh, they had egg rolls for lunch. I didn't see no egg rolls on there.
You didn't see the egg roll?
They had egg rolls in there? To get your mug roll on? That's that one?
I don't know. I just seen it online.
Oh, I ain't see it on the menu, but she probably don't have it. Oh well. Dear Lord, Heavenly Father, we truly thank you so we're about to receive. Blessing hands are prepared for the nurse, restore bodies, for Christ's sake, amen.
Amen.
Oh.
Last.
D'Angelo, Brown Sugar, Rihanna, Rude Boy, Shakira, Beyonce, Drunk in Love. You can't do that. I'll wait till I get home and have me a margarita or something.
So I'm gonna try some of that
It's pretty stuff. I want to try some of the turkey sausage.
Establishment. And what are they? Are they
Huh?
Caribbean or something? What is this supposed to be? What's the vibe?
Just black southern.
Black Southern, but I got
that other place.
Crimea River.
Place.
And what I got? Crimea River. And there's some catfish nuggets and shrimps and chicken. Corn muffin.
All right, that's
Guys got some
Thank you.
chicken.
You're welcome.
Some
And then I
waffle
have
and
some
French
plastic
toast.
silverware over here.
Thank you.
Sorry about that, baby. You guys enjoy, okay?
Thank you for what?
Camera guy.
Okay, so we're in Nordstrom. I'm gonna get this shirt. It's a Pleasure Studio shirt. There was somebody right there.
I may have some good options because we just pulled a lot of our.
Okay, so I'm in H&M right now and I'm trying stuff on. This is the first shirt. I'm definitely getting this. Like, I really like the look and the fit of this shirt. So this is the second shirt. I'm definitely getting this shirt too. Yes, I definitely like this shirt. Definitely want this shirt. H&M is eating today. Like, oh yeah, this is fire. So they're going back and forth, but I'm excited. Wait, what's the thing? 10% off? Was it 2 for $40?
I feel like it was this high.
I don't remember Five Levels being this high. $74 for some short. Yeah, that's crazy. They did not used to be that high. I don't know who they feeling like. D-Day Mid. These Z's. Let me take my picture. I kind of like this case. A bonnet is crazy. I've never seen a bonnet in TJ Maxx. Should I get this? Well, my phone is blue though. 2-in-1. Oh, and you get a screen protector? Let's just get it. Let's go look to see if they got any clothes, perhaps. I don't feel like putting that back. Sorry. What's my camera doing?
Upset. And then when I need to take off my shirt, I'm just gonna have on my what's it called?
Oh, I like these. $39? What the hell? What kind of shorts are these? What brand is this? 10,000. Well, you staying right here, especially on the ground. Thank you. There's no way this is $40. What? I lost their mind. So I wanted Cabo for dinner, so I'm about to walk in. Miss Soho. Got it. Hey, can I get a bowl? What's up? Good about you. Can I do a bowl? And then let me do romaine and a little bit of spinach. She would have got cussed out. can tell she got an attitude. She would have got this.
It's alright, I just need the ice. It's alright. Okay, cool. I'll grab those. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Can I do brown rice? Let me do the red pepper hummus. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. And then let me do honey chicken and then steak.
Roasted chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. Half and half or full?
Half and half. Actually, not steak. Let me do regular chicken. So half and half of honey chicken. Yeah. Look, can I try the potato?
You want to try it?
Yeah. That's just so good. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna just get a little bit. That's fine. Just some crispy chips, some cheese and jalapeno. Yeah.
What is it? Half potato?
And then
Half chicken and half harissa.
let me do balsamic vinaigrette.
On top or on the side?
On top. And then seasoning, that's it. Jesus.
Caesar on the side?
Yeah, on top too. Thank you. Hey you guys, it is beach day. It is the next day now. We're about to head out. This is my outfit. I just put this on. This is not mine. This is my brother's, but it's just like a little cover up. But I got this white tank top from H&M. These swim trunks that I got from ASOS, and then these shoes I got from Zara. I told you guys so.
I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying not give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby, I'll turn you on. Just make sure you're ready, baby, cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Timing is everything. Tell me when you ready, baby, cause you know when it's so. Give me where, yeah, you know, 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 I need it. Give me where, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know. I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying not give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Oh yeah, cause Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my head, I mix my liquor. Fuck them other niggas, yeah. Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my head, I mix my liquor. Don't be fucking other niggas when you're so. Can wait. Yeah, you know, 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 baby, so. Can wait. Yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know. I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come.
Okay, you guys, we're back at home now. It is 8:15. I'm showered, doing my skincare right now. Putting on my Trenton on, so just waiting for it to sit in my skin to do my moisturizer. But we left the beach around like 5:30, and we just got back like at 7:30, so like 30 minutes ago, 40, whatever. I didn't really record at the beach because honestly I was kind of aggravated. It was cold out there. Like, it wasn't cold, but it was cold. Like, it was like a windy cold, and I was not in the mood. I was kind of aggravated. Not aggravated, but I was ready to go, not gonna lie. Number two, I did not get in the water. I tried 2 times to get in the water. I could not do it. The water was so freaking cold. It made no sense. Yeah, oh, and then also my camera died. Like, while I was taking my pictures, my camera died. So that was strike number one. Like, camera died while I was taking my pictures. I'm like, bruh, every time. Huh?
You remember you used to say that all the time?
I used to say that?
Yeah.
I must be just little.
Huh?
I must was little.
Yeah, you was little. You and I used to say it.
Hold on. First of all, this is not even triple sec. This has liquor in it. And it say 15%. Triple sec liquor. That's why it was nasty. I don't know what he doing. Then the juice. This powder is gonna be nasty.
Case number 456790, the people versus Mabel Simmons and Helen Carter, criminal trespassing, reckless endangerment, criminal possession of a handgun, assault with a deadly weapon, suspended license, expired registration, reckless driving, and a broken tail.
I know you didn't say Mabel Simmons. Idea?
How you doing, Judge Maybelline? It's good to see. Ooh, your hands. Really, Karen, look at you. You're looking good. How you been?
You're still at.
This ain't my fault. See, what had happened was.
Who's here for the defense?
Simmons here on behalf of Mrs. Carter, Mrs. Simmons, Your Honor.
Brian,
How you doing, Judge Equal?
I'm getting tired of seeing your honor.
Hey guys, it is the next day. It is now Saturday. It's the last day. And we are going to the pool. Okay, so we made it. It's very loud out here. They're playing music. Okay, so I forgot to end this vlog out. So I just want to come on here and tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you know what to do. Anyways, don't do that. But make sure you guys follow my social media. Should be linked down below. And I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. I'm back. I'm sorry, guys. I took a 2-month long break. But I'm back. I promise I'm back. So I'm going to catch you guys in my next video.